Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. Thank you guys so much for tuning in again. It is Mystery Box Monday. I know it is Friday, but I recorded this video on Monday for Mystery Box Monday, the blue and green theme box. So if you guys did not purchase the box, this is the time where I will reveal to you what was in the box. For those of you that are new to Mystery Box Monday, how it works is I go live every single Monday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I show you a box. I tell you what the retail value of the box is, what I'm selling the box for, how much the shipping costs, and then I give you 10 clues as to what is actually in the box. Every Monday, the box is different. It could be a different size, a different quantity of items, a different theme, different items inside the box. Everything is totally different. So every Monday, you have the opportunity to purchase a new box. We also have different quantities of boxes. So this week we had 2 boxes. Next week we're going to have 5 boxes. But this week we had 2, and both of them sold during the live. They sold like, I guess within like the first 10 minutes that we were live. So this is only our third excuse me for getting tongue-tied, our third week of doing the Mystery Box Mondays, and they're going really well. So I decided to up the boxes from 2 to 5 for next week. But this week's theme is blue and green, and the people who purchased the boxes should have already had their boxes by the time this airs at 8 p.m. on Friday. So it won't be a surprise to them as to what's in the box because they've already gotten their boxes. But I do it this way, and I show you what's in the box so that if you were hesitant about purchasing, then you can watch and see what was in the box, and then hopefully you'll come back the following Monday and purchase a box. So let's get started. So I'm going to also review the clues with you guys. So this box weighed about 8 pounds, and it retails for $76, meaning that if you went to Walmart or Dollar General to purchase this box, you'd pay about $76 for this box. But if you go to CVS, Walgreens, or Rite Aid, any of those big box stores like that, you'll probably pay more than that, probably closer to $90 to $100, because we all know that their prices are a little inflated. But I sold this box for $30, and I sold 2 of them. It is, again, the blue and green theme box. So let's go over what's in the box, and let's go over what clues the items actually went to. So here, the first thing in the box is a pack of washcloths. There are 5 washcloths. You can see they're blue, all different shades of blue. And the clue for this was there's 4 things that you can use in the box for your entire body. And this was one of them. But one of the other clues that I gave was, oh God, that scared me. There's something fell out of the box and it scared me. I'm so sorry. One of the clues that I gave was that one of the items that you could use for all over your body, I never included in any other mystery box. It was a brand new item. There was no variation or anything of this item ever included in any of the box. So that's what that was, the washcloths. Okay. So next, the item that fell out of the box and scared me half to death are Purex action packs. And these are the 4-in-1, and the clue for this was something that something for your fabric and clothes. Okay, and then next is Dove body wash. This is one of the four things that you can use for all over your body. So that's the body wash and the washcloths. Things are just falling all out of this box. Okay, another thing is the scope. So guys, as I told you, the theme is blue and green. So everything in the box is either blue or green, or blue and green. or the thing inside of it is blue or green, or the packaging is blue or green. So you can see with the Purex, the packaging is blue and green, and so are the power packs. If you've ever used them, the washcloths are all blue. Dove's blue, Scope is green. And then here are some vitamin C pills. This went to the clue that something that everyone in your household could use to protect them. So everyone could use vitamin C to protect them from getting sick. And then we have some Lubriderm lotion, which is blue. And this is one of the 4 things that you could use all over your body. Then we have Avena body wash, which is, the packaging is green. Again, this is what you can use all over your body. So the 4 things that you could use all over your body was the Aveeno body wash, the Dove body wash, the Lubriderm lotion, and the pack of washcloths. Then we have a 5-hour energy drink. The packaging is blue. Next we have, I gotta get it out of here. We have the Dial Foaming Hand Wash Concentrated Refill Starter Kit. You see this packaging is blue and green. And this goes with the clue. I gave a clue. I said something that you can use in your kitchen or your bathroom. So this is hand soap that you can put at the kitchen sink or your bathroom sink. And then I said there's something in the box that goes with that, and that has a refill, which is this. So I included the refills, okay? The next thing, I said there is something in this box that you can use in every room of the house. So that is what this is. This is a 2-in-1 microfiber Chanel wash mitt. And you can see that's like the side that you dust and buff everything with. And then the back is the cleaning side. This is really nice. I have one of these. Guys, I love it. And although the front of it, like it shows you washing a car, you can use this anywhere in your house. You could use it wet or dry. It's a super soft microfiber and clear coat safe. So you can use it anywhere. It's all-purpose mitt, is ideal for dusting, washing, and polishing. Dries without leaving streaks, scratches, or specks of lint. And I'm telling you guys, I endorse this because I love it. This is great. You can use this on your ceiling fans to get the dust out your window sills, anything. This is a great tool to have. You can give this to the kids. Okay, next, I said there's something in here that you can use for your dishes. So here is a bottle of Finish Jet Dry for your dishwasher. Get this out. And then there's actually 2 things that I said you could use for your fabric or your clothes. So here is a Febreze To Go fabric spray. This is good to keep in the car, to keep in your purse, or just to keep in each room, because you never know when you want to refreshen the fabric, especially if you have furniture that's fabric, kids' rooms, anywhere. So I love this. And last but not least, actually there's 2 more things. So here is, I said there's a clue where there's something that's electric that requires you to plug into the wall. So that's what this is. So you have a Conair curling iron, instant heat. Okay, so with this curling iron, the curling iron is actually black, but the packaging is blue. So remember, everything is blue and green, blue or green, or the packaging is blue or green, okay? And then the last 2 items are a lifting cucumber facial sheet mask, and a brightening vitamin C facial sheet mask. So one is green, one is blue. So those are the items in your blue and green theme box. Again, you get whoever the 2 people who purchased the boxes, they got everything for $30. So guys, this is what the Mystery Box Monday events look like. These are the kind of things that are in the boxes. And remember, every box has a different theme, different costs, and different items. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment below. Let me know how you liked it. Let me know if you thought you missed out and you should have purchased the box. Let me know if you're coming back this Monday and watching the live, and if you plan on purchasing the box, or even let me know what you would like for me to put in a box. What theme, what type of box would you like me to put together for you to purchase? But again, if you guys are watching me on Facebook, I ask that you hit that follow button, comment below, share this out with your friends and family. If you are watching me on YouTube, hit the subscription button as well as the bell right next to it. That way you get notified every time I put up a new video, and hit the like button. But until the next time, keep on saving.